Kardom kadu kawe Karbidish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelara doan fans tamela pen pinila so video long nali tumhana kiwan pila bangke Karbi Anglong pen driver awre warsai kapiklang pondo la so puthak si pinila so video long nali tumhana details lam nan than pachini polikpo la so YouTube channel nali tum subscribe ko la pen video nali tum share paniga tak non pathik pen Karbi Anglong pen kapiklang pon driver awre warsai puthak le lang polonang la pen chethan polonang Tangte puthot lang polonang mate chithan polonang nali tumla screen along tek polong exi office of the district and season just ahin pencil so over in warsai piklang polno Karbi Anglong difu assam ahin pen lapen advertisement number nali tum lang ponigon lapen lada ke tok pon la bangla son application in standard forms are invited from eligible candidates for unreserved category in the establishment of undersigned in the pay scale as so below. Lase ninghang abang pu atum nali tumjang si jogdon example to standard form fill up nang po lapen category labang ke unreserved madus tamen nali tum jogdon ikme lapen apu samen labang ke driver apus nali tum da screen along tag pon long ikpo number of vacancies like AC do pay scale nali tum 14,000 pen 70,000 and long pon ikji GP dulang dak 5,700 200 anani tum long pon ikji Lason tak dak sanctioning letter nalitum thek pon long exi ZDG E 22/2001-7 lason tak nalitum thek pon long ekpo lapen lasovering war saifan dak eligibility criteria nalitum thek pon long ekpo number 1 long ketok pon the candidate must be Indian citizen as a definite in article 5 lapen article 8 around pen lagi maduta jogdon iklong la pen la son thak number 2 long ke tok pon thu do tu lang nalitum thek molong ji the candidate must have valid LMB driving license issued by competent authority. The driving license must be issued at least 3 years before the date of publication of the advertisement la pen nalitum jong se jogdon example driving mate LMB driving license to nang sila pen so driving license labang ke so advertisement klang det pening kan ke thom aprang ka smart tang a driving license nang si arta lang damlo pulte arta puthak sta medak tok polo the candidate must not be less than 18 years 18 pen kizum kalida nang pola pen age criteria shall be the guide by government guidelines and the determinative that shall be 1/1/2025 mate alang litum arta dak calculation ponji 1st January 2025 pensi calculation ponik po lapen la so overing war sai pen ka char leng ding kinang ji na litum thek molong ji minimum qualification of the candidate must be class 8 pass in class 8 pass the candidate whose qualification is SSLC pass or above will be given preference lapen candidate la sovereign war saifan ke char leng ding kenang si class 8 le pass ta chok lapen SSLC ke pass atum stame jogdun long pusi lara ke tok pon lapen putho do thula number 5 long ke tok pon asonali tum dak pen thek pon long ji preference will be given to the experienced candidates mate experienced candidate atum si the especially ke melo ke jogdon ji pulotang te expert atum number 6 long ke tok pon candidate must submit copy of the voter ID card lapen employment registration certificate issued by the government of Assam nalitum ki pidon tu nang ji voter ID card pidon nang ji lapen employment exchange online pen ka apply employment exchange si pinang ji puta ladak tok pon lason data ka apply nang yi a process tame nalitum da ke tok pon thek long ji ke chengsin nalitum the intending candidate will be have to submit their application in seal envelope to the district season judge Karbi Anglong difu 782460 either personally or through post mate nalitum jongse jogdon ji fulte standard form na bangke fill up thai nang po lapen kenang so documents nalitum pabondo nang po lapen envelope lo nalitum thapsi pabon het nang po lapen envelope fatha nalitum ki tok nang ji la bangke to the district se season jas Karbi Anglong difu lapen pin number nali tum tok do nang po lapen ki jogdam nali tum hodak le dam pen jogdam stame chok lapen post office long le nali tum jogdam stame chok ji lapen puthot dak tok pon do thula. The applicant must superscribe application for the post of driver on the top of the envelope and must write their mobile numbers on the top of standard form respectively in red ink. Lapenani to application for the post of driver lason talk do nangpo envelope athak lapen nani to mobile numbers tame standard form athak talk do nangji kolom a ink aki airpen mate red ink pen. Lapen number 2 long ke talk nani tum thek thulongji. The application must be incomplete with copy PC kinangzima la support has tame dak ke talk do. 2 copies of recent color passport size photo mate photo pagni nani tum pinang po passport size experience certificate do pulote lapen angto na document sa nani tum sell attested nang po lapen driving license tami nani tum kipi dunengsi kinang soblo lapen government service ki do tanga tum stame jogdun long jong nani tum proper channel do pulotangte lapen nani tum alang tum ke hanga teng long le pute ada masih reject puputa da ke tok pondo. Lapen the candidate will appear in the driving test and ponikpo lapen interview ai and ponikji. Lapen incomplete application will summarily rejected puta da ke tok pondo. Lapen all information about date of the skill test viva shall be uploaded in the official website and office notice board. Lapen skill test lapen viva fan labang kenali tum adet fix pon lo pulotangte nali tum official website do laso official website lo dapen stami nali tum download ikme mate lang pon ikme kali pulte nali tum office notice board dong lang lo pulte hodak stami details salam bange thek long pikpo selection procedure labang kelason lo. The candidate who are found to be eligible shall have to undergo skill test of 50 marks. Candidate ki undun tum mate ka select pon tum alang litum pandak skill test by endpoint ikpo 50 marks upon lapen viva dotula viva 20 marks alitum dak thek molongji lapen potha dotula list of eligible candidates for skill test and viva will be uploaded in the official website districtecourts.gov.in kalipurot nanitum Karbi Anglong judiciary.gov.in so hilahini website long download pulte details salam nanitum thekpon long ikpo lapendak separate call letters labang ke madu fanta hanghi pustak topon lapenda selection will be made purely on merit basis mate merit basis dak pada ponci pusi ke topon do lapenda candidate asked to visit official website districtecourtsgovernment.in lapen Karbi Anglong judiciary.gov.in district court Karbi Anglong regularly future updates nalitum updates an bangke lahinia website long si nalitum thekpon long ikpo lapen nalitum puthot thek tulong ji. The last date of receipt of duly fill up application by person or post by will 20 February 2025 by 5 p.m. Lapen last date nalitum dak thek long ji 20 February 2025 an si last date lo lapen date labang ki jogdo nong lelo lapen dak ki tok pon stamina nalitum do thui lapen aso advertisement alo labang ke nili nalitum afan WhatsApp group Telegram channel stami send pon ikpo details salam nalitum lang pon ikot Sipinia video labang ke nakiwan pi labang ke an chodo lapen video nalitum share ikta Karbi Anglong rasta me pelang iknang lapen pocini iknang lapen la sonson a video ke lang long versi apan pura so YouTube channel nalitum subscribe ikot tanghe domi thangme kadu kave Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long ke lang arado anapan stami nilhin pen kardom